Hello, my name is Wayra Cardona. I'm an 8th semester student of a degree in foreign languages with emphasis in English. I live in Itagüí, Antioquia, with my parents and my younger brother. I have two cats. The older one is called Felix and the younger one is called Bakira. I'm currently a team leader in the sales area of Olafly, a Spanish company that sells eSIMs cards as a solution for people who like to travel around the world and be connected. I love my job because I have learned a lot of things. However, I have to balance my time between studying and working, which is sometimes difficult, but I do my best to achieve my academic, work, and family goals. I really enjoy exercising, so it saddens me that I don't have enough time to dedicate to it. However, success requires a sacrifice. Well, I used to work as a flight attendant. It was a wonderful experience that allowed me to get involved in different public service activities. I have always been enthusiastic about helping others, which is why, since I was 13 years old, my mother put me to study English, and I started my bachelor's degree. I have to admit that it has been quite a constant process, but it has turned out very well thanks to the fact that I learned the foreign language very easily, which is much more variable than mathematics. Well, to finish this story, I want to share with you that my previous experience as a teacher was very fun and interesting since I had the responsibility of a group, which forced me to spend a lot of time planning and creating material. I hope I can be even more efficient this time and be more creative. Thank you very much for listening to my story and have a lovely weekend.